Welcome back to my channel, and on today's video we are going to talk about exponential equation. So exponential equation is a very interesting equation, an equation where you look at the right hand side of your equation and left hand side of equation. They have the base and the exponent, the base and the exponent. And sometimes what we use to judge is to look at if the two bases are perfect square, perfect cube, and so on and so forth. So on this example, we are going to look at these two sides. So what we just have to do is we can easily convert these two. We say this is 3 power 4 because 3 power 4 is 81. So you now say by 5x minus 3 equals the same your equal sign. Then we have 3 power 3 because 3 power 3 is 27. So you have 2x plus 10. Okay, so you have made both the right hand side and the left hand side to be the same base. Okay, let me write this properly. So this is 3 this way. Okay, so let's simplify the exponent. So you have 4 times 5, you said 20x, and 4 multiplied by negative 3 is going to give you negative 12. So you are done with the left hand side. So to the right hand side, we also have your base 3. 3 multiplied by 2 is going to give you 6x. 3 multiplied by 10 is going to give you plus 30. So we've been able to simplify the exponent. Then you can cancel out the base because the base, they are the same, they are equal. So here we can now say 20x minus 12 equals 6x plus 30. Okay? So with this, we can easily find the value of x by collecting like terms. So here you have 20x. I'll take 6x over to this side. I have negative 6 equals 30. We have negative 12. So when we take it over to this side, it becomes positive 12. Positive 12. Okay? So we can easily simplify this. 20x minus 6x will give you 14x equals 30 plus 12 will give you 42. It's going to give you 42. So when you divide both sides by 14, so this 14, so this 14 will cancel this 14, so you have x. So 42 by 14 will give you 3. So the value of x in this equation is 3, but exponential equation is 3. Okay, so the same thing, you also do it on the second equation. So let's quickly do it. So we know from our previous class, if you're a student of this channel, you know that 1 over 25 is the same thing as 25 raised to power minus 1. Okay, just like when we used to say that 1 over x is the same thing as x over x raised to power negative 1. So you also do it the same thing here. So you now have your 4x plus 2 equals 5 power 2 minus 34. Okay? So this basically, we also know that 25 is a perfect square. Perfect square is also 25. So you can say this to be 5 power 2, right? Then by negative 1, the negative 1 we had before. So multiply by 4x plus 2, then equals to 2x minus 34. So with this will be easy for you. So you can use this 2 to multiply negative 1. So you have 5 power negative 2. Let me put it this way so you can see the difference. Minus 4x plus 2 equals the same thing again. So 2x minus 34. So at this point, it becomes easy to simplify. And how do you do that? You just say your 5, negative 2 multiplied by 4x is going to give you negative 8x. Negative 2 multiplied by 2 is going to give you negative 4. Okay? Then we also have our 5, 2x minus 34. Okay, so we can easily cancel out our base. So here we have negative 8x minus 4 equals 2x minus 34. So you can find the value of x just the way we used to do. So you can easily say negative 8x minus 2x equals negative 34, then plus 4. Because you're taking this negative 4 to the right hand side. So this will give you negative 10x equals negative 30. So when you divide both sides by negative 10, let me shift this a bit up. By negative 10, negative 10. So negative 10 we divide negative 10. You now have x. Now because this divided by this will give you also 3. So this solution to this equation is 3. So you can solve this question and put your answer on the comment section of this video. I hope this is helpful. See you in my next video. Peace out.